move over here. I'll switch. I gotta know.
Hey, my YouTube friends. Welcome to the world of Ron. I am at the Ipswich River Wildlife Sanctuary in Topsfield, Mass. And as you can see, you can get firsthand up-close looks at some of the birds. They'll come and land right in your hand, as you just saw. I'm going to try to lure some more over. Here comes another one. You can see him sitting right there. Let's see if he'll come down to my hand. Come on. Ah, see, that was a tufted titmouse right there. Sometimes the nuthatches will come too. So the chickadees, the nuthatches, and the titmouse will come down and check it out. The chickadee is the state bird of Massachusetts here. They're cute little guys. They're fairly small, as you can see. And this is quite a unique experience. I don't know of any other sanctuary in Massachusetts that this can happen. Let's see if this one will come over. This is a titmouse here. Yep, see? Boom. Done. They see that I don't have any food and they just fly off. They're strictly looking for food. I don't see any nuthatch around right now. Maybe we'll get some to go.
Some bird seed, we have some in our bag. They'll land right on your hand.
Yeah, I've been getting them to land on my hand without any, so
Really?
yeah, it's cool.
Oh,
yeah.
do you want some or no?
A little bit would be great because then they'll stick around for a few minutes.
We like went up to the top of the rockery and they just like sat there with our hands and they were just like landing. Like it's so cool.
This is the only sanctuary around here I know that happens.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Every time we stop and we like are doing something to you have some snacks.
Thank you so much. Now they'll love me. Thanks again. Have a good day. These nice people gave me some bird seed. I'll see if that'll help. Next time I gotta remember to bring some bird seed with me. This'll get them going. Let's see if I can find some more. These ones kind of figured out that I had nothing and they took off, and now they're not trusting me as much. So let's go over and find some more. See what I can find. Yeah, I'm not seeing any right now. I'll come back later.